Mini Beast Giants, a Let's Read Together book by Twinkle. It was the last day of the summer holidays, and Kit and Sam were lying in the grass, looking for insects. Look at the line of ants carrying bits of leaves, said Sam. 今日係暑假嘅最後一日啦。Kit 同埋 Sam 瞓喺草地上邊，揾緊小昆蟲。Sam 就話：睇下呢一行螞蟻，佢哋拎住樹葉嘅碎片啊。In the fence was a tiny secret door. We are much too big to get in, said Kit. Let's try the magic map, suggested Sam. Soon, they were inside. 喺欄杆嗰度有一對好細嘅秘密通道。Kit 就話：我哋太大啦，入唔到去㗎。Sam 就提議話：不如我哋試下用呢個魔法嘅地圖啊！然之後佢哋就入咗去。Kit, Sam and Ben found themselves on the other side of the secret door. They were surrounded by tall grass and giant insects. They had shrunk. Kit, Sam 同埋 Ben 發現佢哋去咗門嘅另外一邊啊！佢哋周圍有住好高嘅草，仲有一啲巨型嘅昆蟲。佢哋縮細咗啊！ The ants from the garden were now huge. Run! Kit yelled. They ran as fast as they could and hid in a gap in the grass. 花園入邊嘅螞蟻而家全部都變得好大啊！ Kit 就大叫話：快啲跑啊！佢哋用佢哋最快嘅速度跑，然後匿埋咗喺草叢入邊嘅空隙裏邊。Then Lucy, the ladybird, took them for a flight on her back. Woohoo! Shouted Sam. From the sky, they could see all of the garden down below them. 然之後，甲蟲 Lucy 叫佢哋上佢嘅背脊，帶佢哋嚟一趟飛行之旅。Sam 就歡呼：呼呼！喺天空上邊，佢哋望落去可以見到花園入邊嘅所有嘢。Betty the bee shared her tasty food with them. Thanks for the party food, Betty, said Kit. It has been great to meet you all. 蜜蜂 Betty 就同佢哋分享佢嘅美味食物。Kit 就話：多謝你啊 Betty， 多謝你嘅 party 食物。能夠喺度認識大家實在太開心啦。The end。 想用更多 Twinkle 嘅 mini books 嚟學習 phonics，就要上去 Twinkle 嘅網站度下載啦。我哋下次再見。